Is your laptop stuck in an endless loop of restarting, driving you absolutely crazy? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll break down exactly why this happens and how you can fix it step by step. Stick around, because by the end, your laptop will be running like new. Welcome back to Shop Smart Link, your go-to channel for tech tips, tricks, and solutions. If you love in-depth reviews and tech how-tos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're tackling one of the most frustrating tech issues out there: a laptop that restarts over and over again. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Possible reasons why your laptop keeps restarting. System updates gone wrong. Sometimes, incomplete or failed system updates can cause your laptop to restart repeatedly. This is especially common if an update gets stuck during installation. Driver issues, outdated or corrupted drivers can confuse your system, leading to unexpected restarts. Graphics and network drivers are frequent culprits. Hardware problems, overheating due to dust buildup, failing hardware components like your RAM or hard drive, or even a loose connection can trigger restarts. Malware or virus, malicious software can interfere with your operating system and force your laptop to reboot repeatedly. This is a less common but serious issue. Power supply probleme. If your charger or internal power supply is faulty, it might cause intermittent power interruptions. Section 2. Step-by-step solutions. Boot into safe mode. Start by booting your laptop in safe mode. This disables unnecessary drivers and apps, helping you identify if the issue is software related. Check for Windows, Mac updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date. If an update is stuck, restart in safe mode and manually finish or uninstall the update. Use Device Manager, Windows, or System Preferences, Mac, to update outdated drivers. If you recently updated a driver, try rolling it back. Run a malware scan. Use trusted antivirus software to scan for and remove any malicious files. Free options like Malwarebytes work great. Test your hardware. Check for overheating by monitoring your laptop's temperature. Clean out dust from vents and fans using compressed air. For RAM or hard drive issues, run built-in diagnostics like Windows Memory Diagnostic or Apple Hardware Test. Check your power supply. Ensure your charger and power cable are working properly. Replace them if they seem damaged or faulty. Perform a system reset. Last resort, if all else fails, back up your data and perform a system reset or reinstall your OS. This can resolve deep-rooted software problems. Section 3. Pro tips and suggestions. Keep your system updated. Always install updates promptly to prevent compatibility issues. Invest in quality hardware. Cheap chargers and external components can cause more problems in the long run. Regular maintenance. Clean your laptop and check for overheating every few months to avoid hardware issues. Back up your data. Always have a backup plan in case you need to reset your system. Thanks for watching this video on how to fix a laptop that keeps restarting. I hope these solutions helped you get back on track. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to Shop Smart Link for more tech tips, reviews, and solutions. Let us know in the comments which solution worked for you, or if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. Until next time, stay smart and keep your tech running smoothly. See you in the next video.